So do you want to delve into the depths of Discord on iOS, or also known as Apple? Well then, in this video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to access the age-restricted content on Discord. So stick till end to understand how to do it. So well then, let's start. Okay, I know that right now you're on the Discord app. However, if you go into the privacy and safety settings under the settings, and basically you scroll down, you're gonna see it doesn't really have anything like that here. But seriously, do not worry, because this is not how we're supposed to do it, so follow along. Okay, so you can close Discord for now and go directly to Google or any other web browser that you have. And here is exactly where the magic happens. So now, type on the search bar, discord.com/app. And this will take you to where we want. Okay, so right here, if you're not already signed in to this page, then here, put in your credentials and press login. And then now, when you sign in pretty much here, now you'll be able to access the Discord on the web page. So pretty much it is kind of the same thing as Discord app. However, you're just doing every action on the website. So yeah, there's really not much difference, but apart from the settings. Okay, so now you're going to press the gear icon on the bottom left. It's going to be right beside your profile icon. Okay, then on the very top left, you're going to see the settings, and under the privacy and settings, that is the button where you're going to find it. So tap privacy and safety. Okay, now congratulations, you finally made it. Now you can tap on this button right here and toggle it on. Okay, and there you go. Finally, with that, you have enabled the age-restricted content on Discord on iOS. So if you found this video helpful, please like, and if you would like to see more content like this, so please subscribe then. Until then.